Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss science. Okay, page 98 and page 99. In the last class, we had discussed parts of a plant, and I have told you already there are many types of plants. So plants are not of the same type. There are different type of plants, and their functions or their work also is different. So the plant's body is divided into two parts, that is root system and shoot system. We also had studied what is root system and what is shoot system. So root system was the part of the plant that grows underground is called the root system. Okay, we also called the root system anchor because it holds the mud firmly, strongly. Then we had root cap. What is root cap? Top of the root there is a thin skin that is called a root cap, and also we had a root hair. In the root there little small roots are there, that is called a root hair, and root hair supplies water to the plants. Then there are two type of root systems. What are they? That is taproot system and fibrous root system. So what was taproot system? Taproot system was, taproot is the single main root. It grows vertically downwards to the soil. Okay, then it had a primary root and secondary root. The main root is called a primary root, and these small roots are called secondary roots. Okay, and from that secondary root one more root comes out, that is called tertiary roots. Then next one we had studied fibrous root system. So this is called a fibrous root system. From the stem there are so many roots like threads. So this is called a fibrous root systems. Then today we will discuss about functions of roots. Okay, functions of roots means the work of roots. So okay, the important functions of the root system of a plant are as follows. So what are the different type of work that roots are doing? We will discuss in this lesson here. Okay, first one we have is anchoring. What is anchoring? The roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. The roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. So what do the roots do? The roots firmly means strongly they catch the soil, they hold the soil so that the plant remain strong. Then here we have activity 1. In the activity 1 what you can do is take out the root of grass and any flowering plant, examine their root system whether they are same or different. What you have to do, you have to take the root of a grass and root of a flower plant, and you have to observe, you have to see whether the both plants roots are same or different. Okay, so what is the next work that root does here? Next one, absorption. It means the roots absorb water from the soil and supply it to the plants, through which many essential minerals also enter into the plants. So the roots absorb water. The roots, what they do? They absorb water from the soil. Soil में, मिट्टी में से जो पानी होते हैं, पानी को कहाँ से प्लांट absorb करते हैं? रूट से, and it supply to the plants. ऑब्जर्व, पानी को खींचने के बाद इट सप्लाइज इट टू द प्लांट्स. पूरे प्लांट तक पानी रूट सप्लाई करता है, थ्रू विच मेनी एसेंशियल मिनरल्स ऑल्सो एंटर इनटू द प्लांट्स, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस द प्लांट ऑल्सो गेट many type of minerals, many type of good minerals. Then prevention of soil erosion. Roots help to bind the soil firmly so that it prevents the washing away of soil through water or air. Thus, it protects the soil from erosion. Okay, so prevention of soil erosion means the spoil, the waste of soil prevention. How can we protect the soil erosion? The day by day what is happening? The soil is getting wasted. So how can we protect the soil? Roots help to bind the soil firmly. What helps? The roots. The more we plant trees, the roots go inside the mud and it holds the soil, so that the soil, when it rains or any type of distraction, the soil do not waste and go. So roots help to bind the soil firmly, strongly, so that it prevents the washing away of soil through water or air. Okay, when we have strong breeze or wind is blowing, that time also because of the wind, the soil is flying and going. In the same way, when it is heavy rain, that time also with water, lot of soil is being taken away. So if we plant trees, then the soil can be protected. Thus, it protects the soil from erosion. The soil will not be wasted anymore. Okay, so the functions of roots is anchoring, absorption, then prevention of soil erosion here. Then activity 2 we have. What you have to do is take 2 small sized plants from any garden area. Take care that their roots do not break. Plant one of these plants in one plot filled with soil. Cut the roots of another plant and plant it in another pot in the same way. Water them regularly for about a week. Observe them every day. Are both plants growing well? What difference do you find in them? Then what important functions of root can you relate with your activity? So what you have to do is take 2 small sized plants. Small sized plant you have to take from the garden area or from wherever you can. Then take care that their roots do not break. So while you are plucking or while you are removing the plant, it should have roots. Okay, it should have roots. The roots should not break. Then plant one of these plant in one pot. Okay, one plant you will plant in one place and another plant you will plant in the another pot. Then what you have to do? Cut the roots of another plant and plant it in another pot. One plant you have to plant with roots and another plant you have to plant with cutting the roots. You have to cut down the roots and you have to plant. Then what you have to do is you have to pour water regularly. Then you have to observe every day what it happens. Are both plants growing well? You have to see whether the both plants are growing well or not. What difference do you find in them? And what is the difference between these both plants? Then what important functions of root can you relate with this activity? Then we have already studied the function of roots. So what is the difference you find in these both plants? You have to observe very, very carefully. Okay. So you read the lesson. Okay, you read the lesson from beginning to this part and you will understand it more better. Okay, thank you so much and have a beautiful day.